Hello and welcome to Blue Sky Graphics. We are honoured to have you with us. Here at Blue Sky Graphics, we are a leading online graphic design school led by industry and expert leading tutors delivering one-to-one online classes. We've been teaching for just over 10 years, enhancing creative curiosities and preparing future graphic designers for the real world. Driven by passion and performance, we are purely dedicated to the art of graphic design. Our website and enrolment registration information can be found at blueskygraphics.co.uk. The Rotate tool in Adobe Illustrator is very fascinating and extremely interesting when it comes to making geometric and psychedelic motifs for any purposes whatsoever. In this short video, you can see how we're using graphic rotations, the tool rotation software with center point change, to create texture and to work on logos, to repeat templates for creating backgrounds and graphical manipulations. To rotate around a different reference, select the Rotate tool, then Alt-click in Windows or Option-click for Mac, where you want the reference point to be in the document window. Once you've done that, to rotate around the center point, choose Object, Transform, Rotate, or double-click the Rotate tool. The rotation tool is key in Adobe Illustrator and it can be used to manipulate images and graphics to various degrees.